Hey everybody, this is Jenny with JS Productions, and today I'm going to show you how you can organize your desktop on your phone. I have a Samsung, so it's kind of a mess. If you look at it, I've got icons kind of all over the place, and so I want to organize it so it is a little easier for me to find things more quickly and efficiently. So the easiest way to do this is simply to click on an icon and hold it down. And when you do that, it allows you to move the icons anywhere you want on your phone's desktop. So what I'm going to do here, I've got a bunch of banking apps here, and I'd rather have them all in one spot so I can find all of them quickly. I'm just going to click on any one of them, hold, and then I'm just going to drag it to another one. And then what's going to happen is it's going to pop up with a folder. I need to name my folder. So I'll just put banking down, and then it is saved. And then I can just continue that process until I have all of the apps that I want by click, hold, and drag. Click, hold, and drag. And then I know I've even got another one. PayPal is hidden someplace else right here. So to move it from one screen to another, you click, and then while I'm holding it, I'm just going to kind of go to the edge of my screen until I get to the page that I want, and then I can drag it in there. Ta-da! Now I have a folder for my banking, be able to find everything much more quickly. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and good luck with organizing your own device.